Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode of Editing Basics. In this video, we are going to be learning how to cancel Adobe Express subscription using your iPhone. When it comes to canceling your Adobe Express subscription, remember that you cannot cancel it directly within the app. Since you purchased it through the Apple Store, you will need to manage it from there. So, go ahead and close off your Adobe Express app for now and tap Open the Settings app from your iPhone. Once you open up the Settings app, tap on your Apple ID at the top of the screen or your name at the top. This will open up the next interface where you will need to tap on Subscriptions. Click on the Adobe Express from the active list under Subscription and click on the Cancel Subscription or Cancel Free Trial button. Click on Confirm in the pop-up and you will then be able to cancel your subscription for Adobe Express. You will continue to have access to Adobe Express until the end of your current billing cycle. Until then, you can simply enjoy the free trial benefits of Adobe Express. So that's it for today's video. If you found it to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thanks for watching.